Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
How many Indonesian friends do you have? The focus of this lesson is the word ada as a verb of existence and possession. Jadi, saya ada teman di Jakarta, di Bali, di Papua, di mana aja. So, I have friends in Jakarta, in Bali, in Papua, everywhere. The extremely versatile Indonesian verb ada has at least two different functions. First, it functions to introduce the presence of new things or people into the conversation. Second, it serves as a verb of possession, which was covered briefly in episode number 12, but it is covered in further detail here. Examples.
Ada teman di sini.
There's a friend here.
Saya ada teman di sini.
I have a friend here. Papua Island. Papua, the easternmost province of Indonesia, is actually part of the island of Papua, which it shares with the independent nation of Papua New Guinea. Until a few years ago, Papua was known as Irian Jaya, and the area became a center for self-determination, as many communities resented the transmigration programs established by the government to spread out the populations of the overcrowded islands of Java and Bali. Ordinal numbers. Today we will learn how to form ordinal, i.e. ranking, numbers in Indonesian. In particular, we will focus on the difference between
Pertama,
first and the other numbers, which all contain the ku prefix, which marks ordinal numbers.
pertama,
First,
kedua,
second,
ketiga,
third,
keempat,
fourth,
kelima,
fifth,
keenam,
sixth,
ketujuh,
seventh,
kedelapan,
eighth,
kesembilan,
ninth,
kesepuluh.
10th. Benar. True. Di mana aja. Wherever, anywhere. Pertama kali. The first time. But. Tapi. Banyak. Many, much. Teman. Friend. Sekarang. Now.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Kabar itu benar.
The news is true.
Bisa makan di mana aja.
You can eat anywhere.
Ini pertama kali ke Yogya.
This is my first time to Yogya.
Kesanku saat pertama kali melihatmu sangat berlainan dengan sekarang.
My impression the first time I saw you was totally different from what it is now.
Tuti pendek tapi cantik.
Tuti is short but pretty.
Terima kasih banyak.
Thank you very much.
Banyak orang berjejalan mendatangi festival.
Many people are crowding into the festival.
Teman saya dari Papua.
My friend is from Papua.
Mau kemana sekarang?
Where do you want to go now? Conversation.
Hai Mas, pertama kali di Yogya.
Hi Mas, first time in Yogya?
Ya, benar, tapi punya banyak teman di Indonesia.
Yes, that's right, but have a lot of friends in Indonesia.
Oh, ya. Dari mana?
Oh, huh? From where?
Jadi, saya ada teman di Jakarta, di Bali, di Papua, di mana aja.
So, I have friends in Jakarta, in Bali, in Papua, wherever.
Hebat, Mas.
Great, man.
Dan sekarang, ada teman di Yogya.
And now, there are friends in Yogya.
Haha, benar, benar.
Haha, right, right.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.